If you or anybody you know is suffering from any of these possible diagnoses, headaches, temporomandibular joint pain, neck pain, upper back pain, shoulder pain, low back pain, hip pain, knee pain, foot pain, ankle pain, you've had some type of injury that's affecting you in some way and causing you pain, what you probably don't know is that something as simple as a shoe insert could fix your problem. This particular insert that we carry at all of our 10 locations at Alliance Physical Therapy is a great insert. It's made by Superfeet, and what we like about this particular insert is this. It has a nice ridge around here. Your heel has a nice fat pad underneath it, but when you go to strike your heel on the ground when you're walking, that fat pad just smashes out, and with age it starts to deteriorate and doesn't give you the type of comfort that you or support you need when you're hitting a hard surface. So the Superfoot insert has that nice ridge to push that fat pad together so that it creates a greater cushion, so when you hit that hard surface you get this nice shock absorption that goes on. And because of the nice raised ridge, that ridge actually supports your foot in a way to keep your foot from excessively turning in, or pronating as we call it, or excessively turning out, supinating as we call it. And because of the nice little arch in the insert, it also gives your arch support in your foot, especially those of you who have flat feet, to give you that shock absorption that you need. Having a foot insert, okay, can solve a lot of problems that you didn't realize were coming from the fact that your feet are out of line or are not functioning in the way that they should be functioning. This could be because of poor diet, accidents, poor genetics. It could be any number of things. You just didn't get great feet. It happens to all of us. A foot insert like Superfeet can fix that. So to illustrate in ways that you might understand a little bit better, we all have cars, we all drive cars. And one of the things about cars is that if we don't maintain their suspension and the tires in these cars properly, the car will wear down, the tires will wear down, the axle can wear down. So here's 3 things that we do with our cars that are really important. We balance our tires, we align our wheels, and we put good shock absorption systems in it. And that's what a shoe insert does for your body. So if your tire's out of round or out of balance, it becomes out of round. So you're driving around and you're having this bouncy experience. That type of constant bouncing puts a lot of pressure on the structure of your car, tearing it up, wearing it down. Now, if it's out of a line, as many of you know, your car will pull to the right or to the left. Same thing happens in your body. If your foot is turning in too much or turning out, it's pulling you one way or another, and your body's realigning. It's causing stress on joints, low back, neck, shoulder, and causing a lot of problems you're not aware is coming just from your foot. So when we talk about alignment, we take it to the shop, we put it back in line so the car drives straight. So when you put your brakes on, it doesn't pull to the right or to the left, or it's not pulling to the right or to the left when you're just normally driving down the road. So the other one we talk about is shock absorption. So when your shocks or the springs in your cars wear out, anybody who's had that happen, you know when you hit a bump, that car bottoms out, and that puts a lot of stress and strain on the frame of your car, and it could actually cause your axle to break and cause a severe accident. Same thing happens in your body. When you don't have good shock absorption in your feet and that support system for the rest of your frame, it can cause severe stress and damage in your joints, and it can cause misalignment throughout your body that causes these headaches and temporomandibular joint pain, neck pain, back pain, hip pain, knee pain, and foot pain. That is why a foot insert can make your life better. And these are foot inserts by Superfeet, and you can get them at any Alliance Physical Therapy clinic. We have 10 convenient locations just for you.